After downloading the Blaze app, please ensure that you allow it to find devices on your local network. The app will then automatically discover any Blaze servers available on the network. Choose your server from the list and enter the local administrator credentials. Tap a device to open the viewing window at the top of the screen. Tap the Maximize button to switch to full screen mode. Use the menu icon in the top right corner to manage live footage and adjust the video stream. Tap the Minimize button and swipe up from the bottom to return to the device list. From this menu, you can access your system's objects, events, and bookmarks. Select More to modify system settings or disconnect from the local system. To link your system to the cloud, select Login to Hanwha Vision Cloud at the top and enter your credentials. Once connected, you can access devices from across the entire organization on your mobile device. Use the Disconnect, Change System option to switch to a different site. Simply select a site to view its cameras remotely. In the Objects section, select the desired event type to display the relevant video clips. Tap an event to view the clip. While viewing, you can adjust the audio, playback speed, and timeline. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner to access options for adding bookmarks, capturing screenshots, or exporting.